How to add or change your phone number on Snapchat. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add or change your phone number on Snapchat easily. So first thing you have to do is just go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go to the top corner and click on your profile picture like this, and it will take you to this page. Now go to the top corner again right here, click on this, and here you go. Now right here you will find the mobile number. As you can see, click on it and you will be able to change or add your phone number easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.